Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Melissa.
I'm Dan.
And we are the Kitty Cat Dolls.
Meow.
Alright, so here's the video we've been promising to do for you guys. We're just going to do a simple one today. We're going to do a fluffy slime. I've got measuring cups. I already measured most of it out, but I'll set this up and tell you exact ingredients after we get them put in there. So we are going to start out right away. 2/3 cup of glue. So we have a 1/3. Okay, that was 2/3 cup of glue that we put in. Next thing we're going to do is put the water and the baking soda in. And then we're going to mix it together. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which I've already measured out here. So it's 1 teaspoon. Pour it in. And then 1/4 cup of water, which we already measured the water out, the big one, Ash. The big one. Now, let's stir that up. This is a new recipe for us, so we're going to try it out as we're live on video here. So make sure you stir it up real good.
Oops, I accidentally spilled a bit of water, but that's okay.
Alright, you're fired. Kitty.
I know.
Alright, so we got that in there. We got that stirred. Next thing is going to be the shaving cream. It said 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. So pop one of these. Pop the top on it. So put that in there.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, I guess we can just guess on this one. You can't ever put too much in there. So if we need more, we'll just put some more in there. So just spray it in there. Make sure you get the foam. Gel will not work. Foam only for this one.
So that's what we
Gonna
can
mix
mix
it and mix and mix and mix and mix.
Yeah, I definitely need a bigger bowl.
Yeah, you probably should get a bigger bowl.
Yeah, but that's the only bowl I have.
Okay, so we have 2 to 3 cups
Just
of
be careful.
that. Now we're just going to mix this together now. The ingredients we have here. Make sure you get it real good.
So fluffy.
And you will see how fluffy it's getting just with the ingredients we have in here.
Halfway. Mix it really good.
Yep, and you probably should have got a bigger bowl there. So make sure you get a bigger bowl.
Yep. Especially if you're adding this one in. Now get it all mixed in.
Alright, once you think you have it mixed in, we're going to slowly add 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. So the ingredients are going to be laying right here for you guys. So slowly add it out of this. We've already pre-measured it, so it said slowly add. So add a little bit, do some stirring. And here, at this point, you can add your food coloring if you want.
I might just add a little bit because I want it to be a light blue, dark. I might just add a little.
I am here.
Okay.
The more you add of the food coloring, the darker it will be, of course.
Should I have some? I don't know if we're going to have some. I can't even get some.
Well, then I just guess I'm gonna have white then. Doesn't matter.
Alrighty.
It's kind of seeming like slime still. Lumpy and it's still sticking to the bowl.
Okay.
Alright, at this point, we're gonna rip this baby out of there.
I definitely.
Mine needs more.
Start kneading it together.
Mine.
Lower this out of the way so you can.
I got a ton of slime in here.
Hmm?
I got like a ton.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like forming and it's trying to stick off the bowl. Whoa, that's a ton of slime. And it's sticky.
It is. very fluffy though. So we're gonna need some more contact solution, probably just a little bit more to.
Once it sticks off the bowl and it is like all off the bowl, then you're ready to knead it.
Mine's starting to form, except I just need a.
So I'm gonna grab a little contact solution real quick.
Mine's still sticky and it's on my
Pour
fingers.
mine together. Mine's starting to form.
Where is it? Kara? Where's the contact?
It's right here.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, it was actually on the table.
It's still sticky.
Yeah, mine's starting to get the texture. I don't want to add too much at a time because I don't.
Ready?
So I'm just adding a little more contact solution because that is going to make it less sticky. It will make it a little more rubberized, but less sticky. See how now it's not sticking to my hand. So if you don't add too much, you can still have the fluffy slime without it being completely sticky. So
Whoa, this is like so fluffy.
look at how fluffy this is.
Oh my
It's
god.
like so fluffy. Oh my gosh.
Hold on, mine needs a tad more.
Oh wow! So
Sticky.
it is super fluffy.
Did not know.
And so we did have some requests for some shout outs to our followers. I hope I don't mess up your name. If I do, I apologize. First one we have is Diana Casillas 8 on Instagram. The other one is Slime Skinny Legend on Instagram. And also Issa Waxky, Wavxy. I'm sorry if I messed that up. I hope that's how it's pronounced. So, do we need more solution or anything? Or
I don't think.
you need more contact solution there? Set it down.
Well, I already have some more.
All right. So now we can just throw this at each other. Just kidding. All right. Well, that's what we have for you. I mean, what are you thinking of the slime? Like, is this a good recipe?
It's kind of, but mine's coming apart.
No,
yours?
dude, it's perfect.
Look at it. Like,
not
look
too
at it. It's doing that.
No.
So, I think it's perfect. I really like it.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
We
It
will
feels
put, this is the
amazing.
recipe right here. I will put the recipe up as a picture into the video on the YouTube. So make sure you go to our YouTube and subscribe, because this is the first of many, many slime adventures. We got this gallon. I have a whole gallon of clear glue. We do. I have tons of supplies coming from Amazon that'll be here pretty soon. We're just gonna make all sorts of slime, aren't we?
Yes. We
So
love
make sure you
that.
subscribe and let us know what you want us to make. If you have a recipe or you think one sounds really cool to you that you haven't tried yourself or your parents won't let you try, let us know what it is and we will try it for you on camera. And so that's going to be it for this video. So what are you thinking of it though? I mean, what's your after kneading
problem
it? It is very fluffy though. Look,
It's not too.
look at that right through the hands. It's
My thumb.
I like this better than the slime we made the other day, which we didn't do a video, but the slime we made. This is
As a whole.
a lot more stress free.
I mean, even if yours isn't rubbery, it feels so good and it is so fluffy. I love it. I really recommend this. I really recommend this slime.
So that's gonna be it for us today, and please subscribe
Yes,
to our YouTube. We do have 32 followers, and we would love to get in triple digits, over 100, and not too long of a time. We have over 500 Instagram followers, which we thank you for as well. So thank you for watching the Kitty Cat Dolls. Bye.
Bye.